This question comes from Max. He asks what happens if all visible light from the sun compresses into a laser beam, 1 meter wide, focused on Earth. At first, this sounds theoretical. It is not. If you stand in the path of that beam, death is immediate. No pain, no awareness, no final thought. Your body stops behaving like living tissue. Physical forces take control. The numbers explain why. In one full day, Earth receives about 0.004% of the energy the sun releases every second. Spread evenly across the planet, this energy still equals nearly 2 billion times normal sunlight at every location. Now compress all of it into 1 square meter. The beam reaches the atmosphere. Air temperature rises to millions of degrees in less than a second. Air turns into plasma. Plasma releases X-rays. X-rays heat surrounding air. More plasma forms. Infrared radiation follows. Everything beneath the beam disappears. Water splits into hydrogen and oxygen. Rock breaks apart at the atomic level. The surface erodes faster than any nuclear explosion delivers energy. People on the opposite side of the planet avoid the direct beam for a short time. This does not save them. The cause of death changes. Radiation spreads through the atmosphere. Plasma allows X-rays to pass through. Surrounding air absorbs the energy. Heated air emits intense radiation. Some energy escapes into space. Some stays trapped. Heat and light move around the planet. Atmospheric temperature rises everywhere. Surface temperatures follow soon after. Near the impact point, matter blasts into space. This debris reflects infrared radiation back toward Earth. Heat reaches areas far beyond the horizon. Then the moon becomes part of the problem. Sunlight no longer reaches the moon. The beam captures all visible light. Earth becomes the new light source. The burning atmosphere illuminates the moon. Reflected light returns to the surface at lethal intensity. You burn without seeing the sun. Timing decides how much survives. If the beam stays fixed and cannot track Earth, orbital motion moves the planet out of alignment. Exposure lasts about 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, all surface life ends. Most of the atmosphere escapes into space. Oceans boil at the surface. The interior stays intact. Earth survives as damaged rock. This outcome does not require intent or emotion. An idea starts the process. Physics finishes it.